Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe with you. Today's recipe is for gluten-free chocolate chip cookies, and I have my little helpers helping today. So in a bowl we combined some brown sugar and granulated sugar. And then we also melted some butter and let it cool a little bit. Then we're going to add that and we're going to mix it. And that only takes about a minute or so, and you could tell it's getting thicker. And then I added in some vanilla extract and 2 eggs. And if you're new to my cooking videos, I do put the full recipe below in the description box, so make sure you check it out. But I'm going to return to mixing that just on low. And then in a separate bowl, I have all my dry ingredients. So I have my almond flour, some cornstarch, and baking soda and salt. And I am going to mix that so it's combined before I add it to the wet ingredients. So I did add all of that at once, and then I mixed that until just combined. And then when that's done, you're going to, it says to fold in your chocolate chips. I always just put it in my mixer and just mix it for like 15 seconds. And it said to use 1 1/4 cups of chocolate chip cookies or chocolate chips, but the bag measured out to just over that, so I just dumped the whole thing in. Can't go wrong with more chocolate. And then I have a medium-sized cookie scooper on some parchment paper. I preheated the oven to 375 and I cooked it for just about 12 minutes until the edges were golden and the center was set. Here's what they look like after they came out of the oven, and these were absolutely delicious. Could not tell the difference that these were gluten-free. So if you guys are interested, I do have the recipe below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.